Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Ayushi from KV Bulandshahr Shift 2. So, what's new today? Today, we are going to learn subtraction, that is the chapter number 4 of your class 1. आज हम आपकी क्लास 1 का चैप्टर नंबर 4 सब्ट्रैक्शन पढ़ने वाले हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन? सब्ट्रैक्शन होता क्या है? Okay, let me just tell you. Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to remove. Subtraction means how many left after taking away. And another name of subtraction is minus. Okay, so friends, let us learn what is subtraction. But before that, let us see what does a subtraction साइन लुक लाइक. एक माइनस का जो साइन होता है वो कैसा दिखता है, पहले हम वो देखते हैं. सो एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर द ग्रीन सिंबल, दिस ग्रीन स्मॉल हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन इज द साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. ये जो छोटा सा ग्रीन हॉरिजॉन्टल साइन आप देख सकते हैं, यही आपका सब्ट्रैक्शन का या माइनस का साइन होता है. सो लेट्स जस्ट मूव अहेड एंड सी सम मोर एग्जांपल्स to understand the term subtraction. So here in this picture you can see a tree and some oranges. आप इस पिक्चर में कुछ एक ट्री देख सकते हो और कुछ ऑरेंजेस देख सकते हो एंड यू कैन सी अ गर्ल ऑल्सो. आप यहाँ पर एक गर्ल भी देख सकते हो. सो बिफोर डूइंग सब्ट्रैक्शन लेट अस जस्ट काउंट दीज ऑरेंजेस. पहले हम इन ऑरेंजेस को काउंट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम सब्ट्रैक्शन को समझेंगे. सो दिस इज़ द ऑरेंज नंबर 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. So what just happened in the story, this girl wants to eat the orange. एक orange ये बच्ची खाना चाहती है. So what she do, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं total oranges are 5 and this girl wants to eat one orange. So this girl ate one orange. This girl ate one orange. Now we have less oranges. अब हमारे पास जो ऑरेंजेस है वो कम हो गए हैं. कितने कम हो गए हैं वो जानने के लिए व्हाट वील डू, वील जस्ट काउंट दीज ऑरेंजेस अगेन. जैसे नंबर 1, नंबर 2, नंबर 3 and this is number 4. So what we have found that 5 minus 1 equals to 4. 5 minus 1 equals to 4 oranges. Earlier we had 5 oranges, but this girl ate one orange and after that we just have left 4 oranges. That means 5 minus 1 equals to 4 oranges. So let's just see some more examples to understand subtraction. In this picture you can see a sky and also a balloon. Now there are total 2 balloons, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total we have 7 balloons, as you can see in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total balloons are here 7. Okay, what just happened? 2 balloons burst out. 2 balloons जो है इनमें से burst out हो गए हैं, फूट गए हैं. Now we have less balloons. अब हमारे पास जो balloons हैं वो कम हो गए हैं. So we can say that 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 7 minus 2 equals to 5 balloons. We have now 5 balloons. Let's just move to the another story. You can see in this picture 3 tables are here. Picture number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as you can see, this is talking about the baskets. So let's just start counting these baskets. Now basket number 1 on the picture number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 and number 6. In the table number 1 we have 6 baskets are here. Now in the table number 2, 1, 2 and 3. On the table number 3 we have, on the table number 2 we have 3 baskets. So you can see the something is written below this picture. 3 baskets are taken away. From the picture number 1 where 6 baskets were there, उसी में से 3 baskets को यहाँ table number 2 पर निकाल लिया गया है. So in the picture number 3 we will tell how many baskets are remain with us. So we have left with 1, 2 and 3 baskets. अब हमारे पास 3 baskets बची हैं. That means when 3 baskets are taken away from 6 baskets, we have 3 baskets remain. जब 6 baskets में से 3 baskets को निकाल लिया गया है तो हमारे पास 3 baskets बची हैं. That means 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Let's just move to the next story. So here you can see trays and it is talking about some bottles. So let's just start counting bottles in the picture. Number 1 bottle, number 2, number 3 and number 4. 3 bottles are taken away. So let's just see how these bottles have been taken away. Bottle number 1, 2, 3 and so as you can see 3 bottles have been taken away from the tray 1. इस tray 1 से 3 bottles को निकाल लिया गया है. So in the picture number 3 we can say that we have left with 1 bottle. तो 4 bottle में से 3 bottles को निकाल लिया गया है. तो हमारे पास कितनी bottle बची हैं? 1 bottle. That means 4 minus 3 equals to 1. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Let's just see another story. So here is also a table in which teddy bears are also there. So let's just start counting the teddy bears of table number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 teddy bears are here. आप पहले बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं 9 teddy bears are here, out of which 6 teddy bears are taken away. इसी में से 6 teddy bears को निकाल लिया गया है इस तरह से. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 teddy bears have been taken away from the picture number 1. So now what? अब हमारे पास कितने टेडी बियर्स बचे हैं हमें वो बताना है. तो 9 minus 6 equals to 1, 2 and 3. 3 टेडी बियर्स रिमेन. अब हमारे पास 3 टेडी बियर्स बचे हैं. दैट मीन्स 9 minus 6 equals to 3. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. Let's just see another story. So as you can see, this is the beautiful scene of a hut and it is in a village where we can see different trees and some flowers are also there. Oh, what we can see, birds are sitting here. Number 1 bird, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total 7 birds are sitting here. After some time what had happened, these birds starting flying away. ये जो birds हैं इन्होंने उड़ना शुरू कर दिया. So as you can see, one bird flew away. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Now all the birds have been flew away. सारी birds उड़ गई. If all the birds fly away, अगर सारी birds उड़ जाती हैं, how many birds are left? अब हमारे पास कितनी birds बची हैं? Can you tell me the answer? कितनी birds अब हमारे पास बची हैं? 7 birds वहाँ बैठी थी. अब 7 की 7 उड़ गई हैं. So we can say that no birds is sitting now. अब हमारे पास कोई भी birds वहाँ नहीं बैठी है. That means 7 minus 7 equals to 0. 7 minus 7 equals to 0. As you can see in this picture, there is no bird. सारी की सारी birds उड़ गई हैं. पहले हमारे पास 7 birds थी. 7 की 7 birds उड़ गई हैं. अब हमारे पास 0 birds हैं. अब हमारे पास 0 birds हैं. Now we have 0 birds. Now let's just move to the another story. There you can see a room and a boy is also standing there and there is a basket which has some bananas. इस baskets में some bananas हैं. So we can count them. There are 5 bananas in the baskets. इस basket में total 5 bananas हैं. Okay, let's just move ahead and let's just see what had happened. If the boy doesn't eat any banana, अगर ये boy एक भी banana नहीं खाता है, how many bananas are left in the basket? अब इस basket में कितने bananas बचे हैं? So as you know that total we had 5 bananas. This boy hasn't eaten any banana, so that means he has eaten 0 bananas. So 5 minus 0 equals to what? 5 के 5 अभी हमारे पास bananas बच गए हैं. That means 5 minus 0 equals to 5. 5 में से हम 0 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर भी 5 ही आएगा. So we have completed this. I hope you all have understand this topic. Let's just see what we have learned. अब हम देखते हैं कि हमने क्या क्या सीखा. We have learned the following subtraction. इन subtractions को अभी हमने पढ़ा है, तो let's just recall them. 5 minus 1 equals to what? 5 minus 1 equals to 4. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. 9 minus 6 equals to 3. 7 minus 7 equals to 0. And 5 minus 0 equals to 5. This is what we have learned in this video. Let's just move. Now tell. Now this is the question for you students. अब ये आपके लिए question है that 5 minus 3 equals to what? आपको बताना है नंबर 5 में से अगर हम नंबर 3 को लेस करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? So this is the question for you all. Thank you.